che e wo Ghana no ye baba besom ne ye ho adwuma anopa yi pa AG heads to Supreme Court. Balcony not for sale. Lands Minister assures workers. Government backs 5-year presidential term. Jospon group of companies invest in human capital for national development. 1870 ebi wo ho ankasa. Yababu boni nyina so. No so pay money e phone lines na tie for won so aba bekere wadwene. E say won so ye Ghana ni won so wo bibia betimi de aboa wo man no. Na mom ye ban ye ma ye kasa ho nte. Enya atem de die bekere wadwene. Wo obi abekere na wakere no pefefe. 1 minute 30 seconds pepepe no ma yi wa free so. Wori ye nchi a wankasa wo jejereje. Ye frame di enyame hira na Akosua Aboagye betimi aframe Akosua hira. Adwoa Asare e wo ha sei. Tanso na abna bedu adepa kofi Abakay wono nso afa nadwa. Yadi asede mu droma endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Duboaten wase bre ho ye endpoint ema wo yare ene wa benedie ene wo bre. The Tosubium ye 3 butterflies school. One must August ye simu ya 3 butterfly school se bre. Now one the summer school no abba from 3rd equals 31st August. A ye 3 butterfly school. One the British Ghana education curriculum and a year juma. Sa oba enya bosumi miensa equals emfie numu afane bra. A ye 3 butterflies school. Bosumi miensa pepe esese wo kwa adwuma. Na wo kwa adwuma hemfa na wo de wo ba na ekọ. Ye come for the amount 3 butterfly school. Ewo 8 Purple Street East Legon Ben Malcolm. 18 kwadam totofe wana peche no. From 3 months to 5 years now the naba. Now when him says 6:30 anopo 6:30 no ma bie. No ma pon anumre 6:30. Eti we dey 12 hours mu a wo do ba no koto a wutimi ko school. Wutimi ko ye adwuma. Anumre 6:30 no akofa wa de. 3 months to 5 years, a 3 butterflies school. One more app will be a funny EYLOG. I know no with me who are monitor with child's activities. We learn, we play, we grow, and no any abodine kasia ye di a juma. We a 3 butterfly school. Adwoa bano oh me ko fana ba. If is 6:30 to ayi die yebetimi aye 6:30 anopa wo de ne kwoto anumre 6:30 na abefa wade because akwara no ezo obasama school ni tuntum kama te so maame pepepe yes we wodi ne mebie eti for every permanent kasa natural mineral water Hajia special local foods wo nyina ka ho na Sompa 106.5 FM akra ye wo ye client service line aye di adwuma pese woni ye dudwa wonti bibia se bibia ye wo pese wo boa aye 0531886216 aye 0531886216 0531886216 no ene Sompa 106.5 FM akra ye client service line eno no na 3 butterfly schools na brepeme church mu ye nemom so pese wo frɛ wo na wo ba wonya 3 months ekosi 5 years a eye 055609407 eye 055609407 tbm 055609407 we learn, we play, we grow. Me what the Ghanaian Times today Ubokratan wa Ghana's most authoritative newspaper. Me said nam tamaklo atienu oda hasei. The Ubokratan na eka ho asem. Eti maminko studio B na minkoma Adwoa Asare na afi so memma wo de ndi ye. Sister de nam so ontwemra nim. Sister me mo akwa ba. Yeah na. Chebra. me pe morning vim chebra na me abna bedu me mo akwabo
yeah I know somebody any here
na me ke so dem eni kwan so twe
anyway
abejafo na mo te say
Eradi adum
na mo nyina ma 16-year-old girls na mo tete hey asa fe na makọ secondary school bi a mo wie bi sa na dondo so asa ye de nyamia se na me mo the Ghanaian Times, Ghana's most authoritative newspaper na adwan so wo de ya
okay Daily Guide ewa ha as usual na the Chronicle so aba na ene quotation wo
ano hye Chronicle quotation there asa kutia quotation yo se de yo se 19 chicha quotation yo wo hye den hu no Abakay so wo de ya
Daily Post today about Krata no waha and a new weekend crusading guide.
Oh no so waha.
So waha say.
Okay. Any Adwoa hit the ground running to sa you know idiomatic expression miti free your former president Professor John Evans Atta Mills.
Okay.
On it first people say so we will hit the ground running. There's a bias almost said you manasana or more enti Adwoa hit the ground running.
And your mama hit you a yiho no more. Adwoa Safo lawyer Kane MP ewo do mekwa binya.
Na me ba chanwa mi hu ayiye bi o ana mo de beba Sompa delight awie enti no
oh eno akra ye ka ho asem
mi hu ayiye bi na me san so te court injunction bi ti na ma ye confused
ai se court injunction ne e baaye wukuada no mo pese wo mu hia 10 days for ombetena se no makasa because asem no adwasafo si wo besie ne papa ena ne nua be ma no so se wo mu nsie no sa date na wo mahye no
okay
enti wo makwaji injunction dia beto ayie ne so ohu ena ebusuane fa bi ni asafo no so se wo mo no wo man serve wo mo injunction bia
okay
enti date wo ma fixe for ayie ne dia wo mo pewu
omo beye okay
enti ayie no mo ye no wo gomu ampota enti wo mo abota enti bibia ayie ne ye nra enne wo chena eni kwasiada
okay
enti 4 days en wo mo di ye ayie no enne nanka wo mo ebe ede ne beto mpam no mo akosie
okay
ba enwa ne yete se anwumre ni mu no wo mo de car abesi transitions wo mo kwa koyi fun na police fo abehia wo mo kwan mu
okay
se efun no injunction da so enti wo de
kwan wuntimi meyi
but yatete nsɛmbi ɛwɔ akyire ɛno no yɛn hyɛ den hunu sɛ de yɛkɔɔ no tie no yɛbɔ abusua panyin voice wɔ ha sɛ ɔmo kora na car na esi hɔ ne casket na esi mu no ɔmo nyɛ sure sɛ bi yɛ adanko daada adre bi efun ni kora ba na ɔyɛ bɛyi kɔ dada and they are not sure if sɛ papa ne na demu o sɛ bibi foforɔ na demu o they don't know enti nsɛm ne de
aye bebre
ba no sorry for no ene adwosafo ne nuanu mu bi mi hu bi wo ho mi hu be ne nuanu be mi ensa kora nan wo mu nyina no wo mu hye tuntum ne kokko ene enya asem keto sister ne nsa hyade mu ene watutu ne ntoma aguso ko dwan bo ne ti wo bo ne duku ena kyese wo mo na mo ayie na se enye fans ketoa
wo mo gie
ayie ne de wo mo ye no kwasem but enne ne ye behu se
bi o betimi anya funu na kosi
because me mate say efun ne kura de wo mbe yi ne dadaada ansa na enwumre no because omunim de ye wo ho na adwoa no so no esi a why ayi afia tago wahu enti no azawo etoda obade esa wutimi anyway bi wo ho you just have to let it go
na mentimi masem ade a medwene ho a mente ase ne sei enuafo pa enti asem we mu ntimi ntena senka enti obi ntimi nwu ne diem obi ntimi fa na obi ntimi mafom obi ejina soro enti de mu ye mo papa enti eye asem a me busa no enti de mu ye mo papa yi enti eye de mu ankasa mo de mu ankasa de mu ye mo papa yi enti eye papa yi emeritus professor Safo Kantanka bema enti awaje engineer age wo Ghana ha
Africa
aji wa Africa aji wo wiase nenti ni wachi entimo entimi ankasa da bi obi ama ni ego emra fom na yentra se na yenka
ya bon ka 93 million Ghana cedis ye ma ne nkokwa
ete bi me ka nti asem de baaye we si ya hye yeda we si ya hye yeda we si ntimo ntimi nkasa da bi de ye ye papa yi na ye gu ne ho fi ye papa yi na ye gu n'anim ase enti anuafo obi entimi ama ne ego ama fom obi entimi amra ne ho ase da bia meka se pride esaya de enti obi entimi nka se me tintintinti no da bi papa yi on deserve this kind of drama sa drama na ekoso fa emeritus professor Nana Safo Kantanka engineer wajidi ewa bibremu ha na ne wachi ene wei ade achia wei enti wo ma anya mpanifuo bia amfa wo mo sa nkwala na ma na ntrase se mo ntrase na die na mo pese mo ye no na ye nyina ya dwene nko bankrom ye nyina ye nsigina ye wo ho na emu obi ampre ne ho ne yamante ase nya asamba anya nipa na eka asamba enya nipa na eka enti eyi yesese aprompo ana abontensofo emefa nkodi enti yesi wanya hwe ama wase a wo bɔ no koro no enti se muntimi nya bibia akora enti mpanifuo ni asafonim ene abusuanim o betimi afre nuafo se montena se edi na mo ye no papa ne deserve sa emeritus professor montena se me yen kansam no na yen conclude na nuafo mfa odo yen nyina yen fa odo mom na yensie ye papa wanimunyam mu ebi se papa no ye animunyamfo wabe na famu de eti o ma anya panyini bia
na sa panyini na de ebi wo ho ba e wo ntie because
ayama ego any pride any me de me pese me ye na no ana me ye ntime nteme ho ase we se me nteme ho ase we se me nteme ho ase na anuafo one father mu free papa ba kum ne loins mu na mu free baaye eti mo anya hwe amfa ama mo papa edidie mu gya ye nie daddy number drama ne na adie ye nim say side chick ne wife say first wife second wife say your side chick say your wife ho asem e na kofa ba enti ado de ye nim say ye ma
na say we su sa na akoye
say ye de we ka say ye friend say anuafo etu de emfa no say anuafo no na eko enye eyere nom
ba se me bani a ena abaso bani a obi abepre se ne ba benya de wo pese wonya enti wo be kom kura no na maamefo ne kura no
eta chire bi ena meka sa jo de yemfa ne se enye japade but ayiye no mo de yenye ne befitting funeral ye wi a na asem bi oho a ne yakwa kan because say papa no ye ne will to ho eye ni bibia eti de we say wanya hwe ama wase a enti de odebo nti ye papa yi emeritus me kai se enuane first what ase edu time a wo ye meeting na camp yi a emo anwa eyi banche bodie no afre hiafo no afre nkoda no ma besesa emre bi kwa me nya bodie yeso ne me nya bodie bi ode bodie ba ye ho ma me so me nya bo park ne so no ode nuane ne ba me so kwa me nya bodie ne bi me ku so kofa bi ko fie bodie efri enafuom ode basa no a ne ya beche no abodja data yesi emeritus professor ba safo kantanka be me ba na o engineer ba na obi ankwala nyina ya pu ne akwakwa he no papa ye ne monyam akuta ne ntimi a kasa da bi adwobrewo yenye befitting funeral ma no na de ye na etan de ye na anim guase ye papa n deserve sa ye gu na ne mase ye gu ne ho fi obi a pene de akofa ohaw ene abenedie de aba enti adwo ye de ekoso no yakofa funu yankofa funu
to da so ya polygamy no
polygamy ni dear
you are able to control and enjoy and everything but also woni ho a ehun sempi
se wuti ase ya na ye omo do omo ho na wo firi mu na abehu say yes
enti ano ho asem no yese ya Aboagye no ka 93 million Ghana cedis Adwoa Asare ka no enti ye mpene emma e ka no
enye ko
down the drain enti ano ho asem na ewo ho ye na said the natama kruso na woda ha kakraka yi
miss woda ha bi
court of appeal sesi ade yesi ya sign ni ti wonko no wonko jojo no ho wona mpa papa bi so wonpe banku ni nkuruma bi nsi nanim no wonpe chill drink bi mboso na wo enjoy sanse ne ho so sa brobe na nkrofo akeka se na enti Ghana hananka sa no Ghana ha no drama ne concert no da be ne bejai say wo sika ana wo ye party body a emra no bi wo ho a enya adwuma for you ba ordinary Ghanaian no wonam ho betimi kowia mese na no mobile phone wonte ha mobile phone iPhone 12 yi bi na brantie onya 30 years kura ekowia enya se yeso so adebone so krono nye wo krono abo krono esese mra ni wudi be to da wotie krono ni bi na wotie offenses ni bi na wo hwe sentence na match obetimi kowia phone ni ama ne 15 years 20 years obi abo mine car enti sei fine ye jeli ni 10 years wo ko ba ye no ne extradition kura hu sempi last month ya ne ye de ne ba ye ne ye se ye kwa appeal ne ye kwa appeal la within a short period no ne ye timi asan nipa ni ti say ye nia danse bia e kire se saa bone no wo ye na enti e ba ne se ne ye timi ejeli no 10 years eno so ho asem e wo daily guide mu ukọ kratafa etoso miensa obetimi akenkan bi se yes presidential term no constitutional review committee ayete ye se wo monyen sakyraye e wo ya mambra ne mu no ache enema ne bi wo ho no afi 1992 no enye relevant sesi a ene bi wo ho so ese ehye mu kina eti committee na wie wo madwuma aban so age atum enti nra attorney general ebe ye nsemtwofo nhye mu de tu dwa se no presidential term na ye mfie na ne ye de akomfie num ena Ghana for kire se ese ye de clause bi bata ho say bia 4 years na originally eno na constitution na ewom na se 4 years na kure nkoye na sa ban na ese wogda so atena so 5 years a ese ye de clause bi bata ho se ye betimi ato abayi aban koro no efira konwa so wabra term no nuruye eno so ho asem se o ye 35 years a betimi akwa stand for president ana MP enti eno so ho asem ena ewo daily guide mu chronicle so adwo asafo nsem na no wode baaye ena avakofo no so minister for lands abechire mu say it's not for sale enti wo mu hia $700 million no wo mo de revive valco enti enye se wo mo ton na mbom wo mu hia investors eno so ho asem ewo the chronicle mo se yankin kan 1 Corinthians chapter 16 verse 13 Korinto for homa edikan etidunsia yi mu miensa be watchful, stand firm in the faith, act like men, be strong. Enti we the already ya na chese adwo asafu quotation ye dia mono
arehu semo ne ma ekoso
o se yes be ma act like men na ma ho nye dene enye sa nkrofo bi betui afa so eno so ho asem na the chronicle any daily guide e dia ba mabomu yi
Abakay so man kwai
Memfa new weekend crusading guidance so ento asoi na krata family ensa enkron na afedu Ghana man panini eda ha say his excellency Yera John Dramani Mahama de adwadi kan boss so e won krata fan no no to so miensa no wonom akirem se ni de cabinet ya wonom kwatena ase e fa constitution no ho no review a wo mu ye no ba ko wo mu presidential terms no se no akọ 5 years e no emsam ewo krata yi enem opani a wo trosho edema MPP amanyoko no ura Justin Frimpong kodua GFK wase ma me sedina tamakro nensam no MPP sebi wo musomu enyeyi enti no empanifo sampini wachi no samra biom wo behwehwe mu akwa akosi ase se wose won muso ye ho bibia MPP amanyoko no ebetumi aye ho bibi krata fe no so etoso nom ewo krata im the new weekend crusading guide do obo krata im ewo hanom na opiemu ewo eye krata fe no etoso ensiam empanimfo obo amane na nsam a wo mo eka wo krata anim nyina ene se wo mo ehia 37 billion Ghana cedis afibia na ye de affix urban crisis eye nkronkro nkuma no niema ekoso wo ho no mu asebia makuro ntumi ntwumpon no wo mo etimi dia kwakwa kosom World Bank na ekase ya new weekend crusading guide do bo krata yi edibo nsam abaha no mo esei na empanimfo se de niema eko ewo economic growth no ho no ekoyi pa entinu piemu a Parliament stamps up MPA reforms into no National Petroleum Authority. And penny for said the one more than she a coy, Emma Bibia, Akoso, a woman, a dream of Kudamino, a quay, Emma, and penny for be a woman from Russia, Momo, a bomber, basso, no summon some, a work crater, you Mefa Daily Post the work crater, and also, and to us so and Famal Parliament passes Ghana Cocoa Board Bill to guarantee farmers 70% of FOB. Nature say kuafo no ate asem de pa se yento cocoa no na yemfanko amanone no shipping sika wasa wo mutuatua no wonu mukyerem se 70% no wo mu efa e de free so a eno no betimi aboa ama akuafo no so wo mu ho atɔ wonom. Jaspon Group sponsors scholarship return from Russia to boost food security. You ni na efa no waste management no na empanifo ahwehwe mu a nti adehia wonom de wo kɔ Russia ema wo mu ekosua ade no ye de sikabotene bi abo wonom abaso no sumu nsam wo mu beboa ema ya prapra ne atete gotem ni nyina no etumi akoyie ma me sedinam tamakro de no so eda krata yi page 7 ha ya wosre na eje and yes, it was finally Attorney General no file stay of execution against Sedinam Tamakru appeal rulings. And also a wakata fair so and so. Yes, police for ache and conform akumako edio kono emi sebi. Ya nina efa enubonia sebi wadom eye ewo o my Ghana afan baby nti one which mu center brosho and it is a sentimentum no one mo ko potam ho ahensan any atonsu any jinyase ne de keka ho one hwehwe mu no mo ye enubone no enipa makoma kwa duo kono emiensa 93 ene yache wodum ensem bia ena no pay kratan by Daily Post and afi New Weekend Crusading Guide obo krata no eba ye ni adane akiri di asomwe
wo hwe sansam no na the Ghanaian Times Ghana's most authoritative newspaper so ediaba wo de ma me Sedinam Tamaklo Nasam no Edda Hase no see AGS to Supreme Court and also so I so say I a court system dramatic
very dramatic say ni adie we senator ma wuntu me die ba ye o dance wo me obi animu yi ya nkofo kra kwasra no yi maami obi anhu ba bia wo hye
oba ye ne de ba ni from America ba
Interior Minister said for security reasons entino yentimi ndisclose
baby
awo o pese oba besra na age wo twro ho nkrata e ma wo mu approve ansa
ansan wetimi
akwa
na court so kotena ase a won so agya no eti ho asam na fa baby a chese argument ne de asha ase na gender minister so was beware of fake jobs migration offers by traffickers omo a ene ye de mu ko Dubai ene ye de mu ko Turkey ene ye de mu ko ha ye de mu ko United Arab Emirates o kyerem se nkrofo nya hweye papa na se de yesi bu nkrofo no na adwamre bi se mo kan saa Janet die yesi se
ya Qnet
eno e Qnet na makana Janet mpo Qnet no esi se eno so still aye da so bu nkrofo na se de
ba esi ade omo yi na ba fom kakra
nkrofo ni ada ho
still in operation says esi an omo hu se Qnet ne de edina ko inti nkrofo so they will not come as Qnet
ombetimi adane di no
bekom no na Qnet
but no madane di no
ai se no akra eyi CID maame no COP donko obe kasa say human trafficking ne sa adwuma yi asemi fake jobs ne make account akosoro pa enti no manfo mo meni na ho abrochire ko ne ade no be careful obi anka yes yi greener pastures ne ye nemo make sure say baby awodi usika no fa no nipa kra wo ne deal no eye genuine person a wa verify hu say nipa ne yes yes hwehwe mrebi me work bi me think ye chi na tum eye serious me colleague back wo fidada mu enye easy sika pa sika manfo sika enti no ade bi hard wutu kwan a no wa hwe yi ebu okra wutimi kɔ instead of self baby I do kono yamfa unko straight to na transit abem na ye de wakɔ hye baby na no me cousin bi nyame nko anko nyame nko anko wu ono so saa yesi adwuma bi ene ye de ne kwohye se Burkina Faso se
already
na me say ye de wokwa e de mu ne ye de wo mo hye ye wo time amudidi ye wo time amudi dware ye wo time amudi ye bibia unyusu mobile phone nya hwe ene ye de wokwa ye ma unhu location no
enti wo hu
wachira kwan it is a person who dwane kura no a just a very calculated plan bi na wafa na no nyame di wo hu afofia na wo betimi adwane
na just say de nsanu adwuma dɔso o ye man mu a enkrofo ye nsanu adwuma gisika yi
enti wonye ye ntam
nti ye pen ntam
no wonye ye ntam na 100 Ghana ni 2 million die
na don't say enkrofo ye make capacity
wo be boaboa no a
sa nti boaboa no etu be kwa kowu mama matie fomrem mama matie fomrem we 0260 196064 and 0260196065 oba na 1 minute me set alarm ne kama na fe 1 minute 30 seconds so bre no aso hello
Auntie Akosua Martin
ya nua
kwaku 37
kwaku mami ntie wa no pe
yo Auntie Akosua no pe mami mo ne tell ni che mi wa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia e mami me visa kum ni ro jombodu ene hanne na Aboagye na nabi Dr. Bernardo Kobo ene Dr. Henry Kolakoko me chia o nyina no pe na Auntie Akosua ano pe na utu plania de pa no futu aya o de mai ana min kan yimia akosokoji sa fo ne ba be man se Auntie Akosua utu ade ma o mumfa na abema no je betre no omre no ho ate kakra na opesu odi asore n'anim ata hantan M1 ene ne papa nachi na Auntie Akosua no ko o se mra akosokoji sa fo nyame adu ye fie no o ma ya mamle bibia ana enra ehemfo mo fa santimere ne dental regu ma be ka ho ama enra akosokoji sa fo nyame adu adwa sa fo de no amia ti na Auntie Akosua president Mahama e best no ye best no ye wo kika kro no on let o be ko no be geneti pepe na je wo ye de be mo be jadi mbone se ma mi ye jeli nten ro ba ga na akọ ye hu no mo na ko sie na ma ta ye kuru kana na akọse court bi e tie ne sei ama ye jama me ne bi Auntie Akosua no kru pleasure ma e be se no mi wo ye no wo hwe ni no chacha bone bi e de Auntie Akosua ne nyame nya aduma
me dance kwaku oten ye te ne nka no 0260 196064 and 0260196065 aha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Me papa ben me shia ni.
We wa uni abe ma.
Akafia ni.
Akafia phobia ni.
Akafia. Me enkwai.
Mo David Kaba me mo baso. One Akosua de ba phone ni na me pa konya kesi entia me papa Aboagye Adwoa a organizer chairman na me lawyer Ali Mega ono so ba national treasurer just to call your statement clear na na bi ono so ba president na wo bi oshi get Accra God Asare be dia for director of communication onim me wo giri me papa tebusia epa za ma me krofo ya kantomato shie aya mobro wa foye ya fo mai ku kantomato ye bala wo shi ya abani ka so fenre ya ba mi dis ke na wodi pum ko sa America o pa pa ye no ye no ye ti ya ye se o mo de na ko ti se ne ho son won ko won le boni bia e sa boni be ye be se mo se drop mo ka sa se ni because o ma pe ni ka se Obano wa be here abe chese Ghana Libya wa boko no dia wa diskano ama ato forcing no case e opuni o case korza
me da say what time na so 1 minute 30 seconds 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 ha Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today and na utie no hello Mr. Nokrasa
You don't want to say.
Nyame gusu ehira me pa.
Nyame afi. Apapai. Nyankopon asumdi na homo bonka oni waduma nyina. Na manfa wakonya twinchia Dr. Mobafo. National Vice. Deputy Deputy National Organizer. Chief of Staff, Nebo Abakay Adwoa Asare, I'm checking some of communication. I'm in the Taban Forest Communication, Forest Commission, I'm Commission. Obapa, court, and I decided I cannot say. Again, what our Becca said, a NDC and Mahama, and I go influencing a year or two. And you see, I'm not telling you that, or the sign I day, I could be not a seminal, what I could not be. Which was the NDC, the Pescat and telling me, a day to my. Yeah, but yes, it's an enough for the year. Our non certificate videos got it. We be 1 year Bonibia. What is some Mahama can be this up and appoint you? What about tonight? None of what is because that's the way the man appoint you 1 year Bonibia, Madame Moody, and Kusifi. And never another Kufado can on the Biluno. She joined the man, Mamma, at the training and a year small maybe. The Bibia Makoyi, the Akosua and experiment good at the Quaker.
Medase no crassa 0260196064 and 0260196065. Ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today and Awuti no dear friend Ghana speaks a Braston Sawacha Wajane. Hello.
Papa
Meju so papa.
Wadaruma Oyibo Boatini.
Oyibo
Godu Achumane Behi.
Yo, Oyibo.
Papa Wadaruma. Namintia area chama wa nuko kwa pia kuka regional chairman neba order number 1 Daniel Koku Mensa DK Mensa Abraham organizer Asante region order number 3 Samuel Michael also secretary regional secretary order number 3 Adepoku Eki also organizer order second vice chairman so Ekeba chairman Eki no bosom tribune Obapa me who ntiri me papa Ghana Amay is a smart yo, a soon adri ya papa, Minty Bita, Nubita, Nipa court, high court, a sentence to 10 years, Yabon court do over 15 targets. He can put one mamia, yes, he can put one mamia, yes, one for them 10 years already, and the court of appeal, the Mamma body, Mexican offer for the Ghana, at the idea by the airport for my Ghana. You will come Attorney General or body or appeal. Nani Butaka, a republic protected in our summer group. Lawyer Ben the Boy Mobile State. Attorney General on your way. Lawyer now open defense then or parley. You will come Coco Board Saga or by a family lawyer prosecutor. Unity Bank of a family lawyer prosecutor.
Medase 0260196064 and 0260196065. I hear Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. About 1 minute 30 seconds. Would it share what you do? Hana Makatu. Hello. Enka Opa.
But you did the rules, you know, the with me watch the Malaban.
Mammy to you.
And okay, me Chablet, Emo Tata Regional Youth Organizer. Namia Duma, Obaki Tata Regional Secretary. Many have I hope say Ghana ha emna ewo Ghana ha ena emna na ejuma. So it will be Eddie Bonia. The Panaco Court here, the stand in Lumosum. As some are yet time, what if one are only for? On only a court was my own to be the local court here, the stand. Now, Edinam, come and put the entity. After me, I said on the home fan on Otuka on it. Obia Wamon on the for 10 years. Young fan of that court. And the Pisana no more something we do for now we do for straight to jail. And the lawyers enter their court back. Now you have to say, Mammy, on this one. We casa, they depend on him. We tell him, and man, to my what's an acasa. Come, Mammy, on this for the I think I'm looking at me for more fun of back or them the Pisana. When I empty the college, no penny for Messiah, they do away. One how you can ask or Oriana Jonia Pochamon on it, you saw or so Bagana, or yet the time you never did not work on her. Yamenka.
Medase, Queen of the Airwaves, and on 0260196064 and 0260196065. I hear Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana today, Jumedie, and a Wuti and Ghana speaks Brennan Sono. Hello.
Hello.
About your mini abandoned the machine and pay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Eliot
here, I'm going.
Any people for almost that. Almost from say, we are lawyers. We catch them if we call us a man.
Also, we realize that we lawyer Papadia. I'm a coming casa. That a couple of time. I'm got to foxing. I'm found quite a say, cheap up on to me. Richard Japa. Almost a Richard Japa of the book of the coach. It wasn't a common. So I didn't have Tamako. I know that many roads better to hear. And before, I call it for keep quiet. You know, oh, now who's here? Oh, now who's here? What to me, but them. But yes, but them. I would the brave. But the former minister of Road and Highways. And you with them, we have to say, can you work for Ghana? I'm a Ghana, I have Bassa. President, I'm a very respect Ghana. Oh, look at that name. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yada was so de odiaba 0260196064 and 0260196065. Ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Hello.
I'm Ashama, communication officer Ashama from Pacho. Timenti, Tidimu from Anapan, Papa White said, the Pacho, Mama Contrano, and I'm calling to move for deputy communication, the Pacho Mufama, the Pacho non echo, they will be still recovering. Sister Adwoa, we can't pay the Pacho or Yari, 1.5 million tons, and I deputy communication officer, the Pacho Catamaso, Aban, and I Charlotte, the Pacho Fuashi, the Pacho could be Pacho Muntu Abama Charlotte, and my West. Umuaganza the Pacho, Abigail, National Umuaganza, Regional Chairman, Marketed, Enna, Question Fusu, or Pomme Pacho, and so about National Chairman, Nana Kwame, executive member, or Kakino, Yamisha Mujma Pamuye, Munkos of the Pacho. And yet before Yana, Omoko Appeal Court, Echo Pray Ama Chemaun Juliana. And you open the chair there. Yes, Nana Moasuno, Nana, and the control. Chief Justice in the Coconana, Yana Bo, the way, Jana Omua Abasu, Omamu control Jessica. I just I did Yako can ask them. Namusi Mama, where they, and I'm up buying, Miss Level, 18 year course, near incorporate discount, I'm more line so, it's near course, move to Chelo Mama Canana, hey, I find, Muyaja, Musu, Mukomiti, Namusu.
Medans ABC Okase free abed 0260196064 and 0260196065. Ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today Jumedi na wutie no ebre du so ye friend Ghana speaks Ghana for choma june fan semwe koso mainimo. Hello.
Mema mi Akosua Aboagye.
Bright Okase free abuso kan.
Ma me me bright we na Akosua.
Yay, Tabora Nanayao. Nanayao, only brightness too much.
Only a fallacy.
And how are you?
And I'm a
I'm a minty away.
Osiriano, Omission, I'm a dilemma.
Messiah, no bishop, I'm 1,000 and no pay on. Mate.
100,000, maybe give me 300 amount. Ma'am, my memo was I just said from board, my our comes. I did American or management organizer. And a P, and a just report here. And a case, which is about 24 in Papa. Mamma, when they see on my name, that's the set. Sorry. Many rules be kind now, not that you never have or routine is after the age. You know, be a sinner, man, no court, and then you do yourself, no equal, and you see, man, to me, I didn't go to one. Who to me, your mind is go. Who to me, no or to galaxy, on where you should, and in your new to galaxy, and no promise why I want it. But you never will keep on buying come to us. No, but if you are to come on, or on your machine, that is not what you can be an opportunity. Now, when you will be so Abitana, set it up with Regina, you are Mama,
Medase Tabora nana yaw eno no 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello. Orobon get Accra, Ghana, West Africa, Africa, the world. Orobon mienko.
Sompa 106.5. Abakosua wo pemba jo ye.
Nyame adom me ho ye pa.
The radio ase. Obrempon apamdada miami ni pajeri ena Adwoa Asare. Omo nyina wo ye.
Obia ho ye.
Enfa nka metamo no afi ni yesterday. Greater Accra Women Organizer oba. Oba na wo mi akofi owusu ma me peduma papa and the MP before. When we sit in for you lusu ye wa Accra. And the yankoto Obama na wo mi akofi owusu a. Ani ye yo na we me da woka bo acheja ko national chairman and da opepe national chairman the no side papa ni woni mu die obeti makabo na bi for vice chairman agwadi nyangopon hospital pa we children hospital ono aboto bitkawo na bi mama ba e go 2 years ayi ko go nsibi ani ne aja luka communication national treasure yo papa baumia that's the president Michel afami media kantaman to say na mapata oho na mi tamakru agina tamakru ya mani ska akon famre oje say America no die ya ba na oho hill the air condition mo no ti uko kan ni abetiro media mini problem jama who to be much no o tu galam se much na problem no. What did it? Never my bank can Joseph me. I don't need to back. I don't want to get am saying. I got it saying.
Medase Orobon now telling African Tamanto 0260196064 0260196065. Aha, yes, Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, Sompa Accra, and Auti no hello.
No, I shall papa pusia.
So for Mamma Domi.
Udem.
Young Quay.
You never paid the influence more than a much among watching or way. Honorable Elumega Michelle, Nana B and Nana Pay Michelle. Just from Ponco dear. Now we are going to Michelle and Nana Pay. Minyaba. Yes, never be because of my embrace from seeing my Casanitia. For Mamma's love, Mammy, specifically dear for Mammy, I say. I'm will be a dear dancer, Mammy will bore my nafa. Listen, also, but I can never dear 28 near Quatsanasia Cache. Mamma and a whole zone already. And the next of mine, your coin chat. Let's say, obey to me the certificate, they are more be the area of school. I just said one family, so dear, and it made no custom. No big mama what so many secret good bottom. I saw the ma said you need no mudi to man one farm no. Course about answer no so if you say na buy in the power. Your best baby almost don't mind it call. That a bahai in an abian quite ready and my yes, Ramu to your moon no debonia. Many about me.
Medas of Mamma Domi 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Hello, Auntie. Good morning.
Good morning.
Diana Nakwame, I'm a great boy town. Unumse, Namaya Domoa, Yibia Konya, Oba Kaku, no Ponen and Patamua. Executive member, dear Montemachi. And I am Mammy Precope, Yamami Abakay Adwoa or National Woman Organizer, Yabla Justice, and also National Deputy Organizer. Na Yachi and Dr. Juros, Nana Juma Power, Yamenkosum Canon, Onion Cassessa, and a Yuga Cantanka, about Kakuin of Secretary Eho. Nagata Mekanese, or man, a Durmre, she was Sankata. Because Gentlemen near forest, Yeja, Atuo Ama and Chima Nati, Ama or Mino, you move at Miacho, near Betty Martin and was assassinating na, and the Cocoa, then Canon, a system, Yanka Bibiani, I know their boy, and Namgalam Sena, much to guys, Coconi Nabu, and the arguments of Sasso, and what no one so say pure tow, their bottle water. say then you pipe for what no kura na usuro aso first ye nkura te na de onam ba bia woti kokongura na wodi bonzo na no wata bi na wona no ko ba bi de ene wonu muso no usuro enta no ye pa na ye misa forest na untumi ko tu ye no eye ne bia eye na japade minister fra ba e be ka te woni license na si woni tumi bia wo that forest ni mu.
Medase 0260196064 na 0260196065 me fani pan nine na fe mawie. Hello.
Akosua so dwenga.
Enka unso papa.
Awa pomte.
Nya me gusu ehira me ho ye nso.
Akosua ayi MPP of the latest April. It's the fully before of front unofficial mayor of Accra in town. Bozi. Firstly, if it didn't 1 week on the 9, the other spread, I was good to be out of our mobile and yet just I feel NPC so kind there, NPC did offer to true, and to me, guy be. Also, much of the wire down. And put on for the first day. Akosua, my minister did not come up. Wasn't the fee abroaching by over 1 week, no, she defeated. American embassy will issue statement that was the man in Abba. I'm a mechanical way free to there. My men are wasn't up and all buyers acquitted and discharged. McCain. Now that's right. My musica of fight, of fight. Akosua Samami, in the school, a canapa, a Italian horse, but on to be that. The beer was the one period what I graduated. Nti onyenye otipresident do Canada onyenye owo ayi kwanhu wa papa kebi amanya juri nyina atwagu de bia sa abade bi ba ehiafo so wo ye mobile awala wanyi bi Akosua bi awie nkosuo obi awie akoko owo prison e ma me a wawie o mai sikete why are acquitted at the time?
Medase 0260196064 and 0260196065. I can't put me in Sana maybe. Hello.
Hello, Miniaba Akosua Aboagye.
Papa.
We will only about my Felix now and him a yellow trouble.
Felix, Mamintia one pay.
The Darcy, and the paying of Shaman Pamoya. One of the the incoming national chairman, Honorable Aboagye Adwoa Asare, Minia Eric Nati, Chairman Dollar, Greater Accra, second vice regional chairman. Minia, the way name, they said that young one. They said that young one cry. The family say, Moon 3. I went in the jar. You know what I'm saying, right? If you said I know maybe not me cover network back also. The farmer me after me one. And then the whole thing is the about my minister, and I'm going to be the same. So you people and then they are happy. I'm a high child of I bet one. You see, any one. What's your name here? I think this is what to me. Omo penny ye be say who no say it was say o em na wo ye camp say it kind of 4%. You can be our dominant of what to about my one. Obi a was what to Sophia.
Medase otam naso ahaya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra akanipa mienu Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today ena utie no. Hello. Me pa chomi nua be na me hia na no pay. Kwabena mienko.
Amote.
Nyame adom ye ho ye.
Didi kama mpenta kesema ajenkete jombo do we rodin kama. Dr. Mahmoud Ahmed. Remember, rodin kama wati. Ada 2020 na for do babi mampeni. Ntima me how kuso batampa na na mu kinka mitaka mo organizer ana kwa dance mitaka rodin. It's God asad bidak we mo di no mo ano. And the 2 year demand for the Edma, not a media and try the Ayakolo. In a quote, Papa said, the movie running come on. Madame Paul who said, I think you had not been able to move. More gun had man or try, yeah, try, and some of what I listen. Talk of family 11 1 with you. It is over yes, Rasim said, setting them Ghana for Club with Jenna, Yakofas and Kuyaka and Lakoya, or the Ghana, yes, and all cop, and I said, no, Faro, and was Janapata with Chile. The young one was a side way, the Akosua. Because you have to remember one, the end is your Attorney General, Dr. Kungo, what we can come to. That's to talk and put your body, I'm not going to put me, I could do damn fat, and free, a 20 outside the inside the idea. The period when this was minute. The period when this was minute, because I told you the most we keep your body curve. Look at our attacking. Yeah, I'm doing it. Never take a phone, I say. John, money, Mahama, never story with Magana, for never got a Sompa. Yes,
Medas, me Fadio Chatwokra. Hello.
Aboagye.
Nana Mwakuni.
The Bacho Honor.
Nana una midi uchatu o yenko.
The Bacho of Man 5 minutes one and send on some kappa.
Udi uchatu nti bema 2 minutes yenko.
Balucha incoming national chairman. Bema Oduyam Fua, Najimabo, Yega, Honorable Boagye, Ejapo, the Libya Channel. I mean, incoming guitar, woman of Gaza, the manifesto, I mean, chairman, and I'm watching. I was about West. So, what about the Papa Nibus will do all? Sinaba, on my Ghana, I know the just and Washington for the air course of our moment, the Laken and Melbourne, for a year, over 15 months, you jump car. Over 15 months, you jump car. If I message them, come on to Tabako and Yama Ashti. Out that master, I know. Who could I overcast the GPRG for? I'm a body to the Caron over the technical home also. Emma, you got it, can't find it. Who could I get on one pocket to Ashti? Just a couple more from some can offer the word at this Caron. Here you want them and I also was at it. The talk about what I have. Oh, the Asamel, who is for the room. On it. And then what my papa was the Papa Gana have. I'm a little mamma and now all the other Japanese. I'm a little bit so a chow also. Now, they're going to go to call me. They're not common DNA, the common DNA, the part of our okay, you're very scarlet. The book everybody on your body. They're not to show or share it now. They're the fire. I have put it that the outpost media.
Medas Nana Mwako, Obreno Aso, Mediwachatua, no. At here for higher Sompa 106.5 FM Accra, Ghana today, na utie, no, in some way, Akosua Ghana, Nedia, dear Nejinamutinti, mine pano, Yankasa, Maslok, Penida da, said the Yamame. Said na tamaklo na sam na dimutinti man ena valkofo asam no nso na no nso afa baabia na no nso age baabia nto ye kan ho asam efa adwumayefo mo koye demonstration na mo nso mo de madwenkyere enso e bai na mo yemfa seda ema endpoint homeopathic clinic Dr. Dubuaten eseme mo aso nte sebra na eye endpoint e de ma wabi ne die ene wo yare endpoint homeopathic clinic uduru hope na kyerese ampa ntia no pese wutie mi na wo yare a ayaresabi a me kan fa ma wo no eye endpoint homeopathic clinic anopai se wutie me na se wodofo bi ne fa baabia adwudwo wonya stroke a eye endpoint homeopathic clinic anopai se wutie me na se obi e wo prostate mu yare eye awo e na wo pa eye endpoint homeopathic clinic anopai se wutie me na eye premature ejaculation nerve disease kidney issues liver issues a eno nso eye endpoint homeopathic clinic entifre Dr. Dubuaten na wo mo physiotherapy ne massaging kronoma bo hia nso e wo komase ena se wo won kran so aspinte so kwan so baby e fa ne shell signboard ne ho behu no obetimi afre endpoint homeopathic clinic e wo 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 02742343321 027 423-4321. Say when your bad time na se wutie me anopai na wo ba wonya bosome miensa kosi emfie num na wo pesku a obetimi di akoda na ko wo ho beto obetimi akoye adwuma anopa 6:30 ne ye bie enumre 6:30 ene omo bepon school no e wo niema bebre wo ho ankoda di agro enkoda di nyini ye behye wo mo a change wo mo diapers afidi wo mo wo ba ne ho masam wo bia na se di a wo de ne koma na ne bi na ne bi puno wo ba no na wabedi di sawe like ye wona ni so mu di sawe like o wo di sawe like na ma no wadi nkoda ndu ya ne no fan oba ne ba 3 butterflies school fa oba no ko 3 Butterflies School. What do banako 3 Butterflies School? 6:30 ni ebie. Enumre 6:30 ni apon 12 hours mo a obetimi akwakoyi wadwuma ye obi bia de to ana de to ana akoyi eti betimi akoyi obi bia eti British and Ghana education curriculum eno mo de eye adwuma enkwada no unse sabro no mu swa enti omo brain no afe na air form eti se one man ntete papa ebe hadwene eti swimming lessons wo ho taekwondo ballet extra curriculum activities bebre nyame adoma adwoada air kono ekosi 31st August 3rd to 31st August oma bie summer school no enti kodana makwan no mu ofie na wo pe ba bia ho fe me say wo de bra Facebook page na be school na ankasa 3 Butterfly schools e niam egu ho no ba bia nkora no playing omo kitchen enkoda no kitchen me du wura ho a wan hwa wo beda ho enkoda no kitchen no ene wo mo mpa bi oba 3 months pa mpa bi ede ne beto so no ene ma nkoda ne didi akosa oba ne brain no na dwene no esisi so kama obenyini akoda ne nya 5 years na wa ben de obeka no wo nya 20 years akora wuntimi nka adenti a wo de ne call 3 Butterflies School ewo 8 Popo Street ewo East Legon ebe Mekom no 8 Popo Street East Legon Mekom no ena me kan ne nkoro manya bosome miensa 3 months ekosi 5 years ena wo mo show mo 6:30 no wo mabie enumre 6:30 no wo mapon 12 hours mo a 80 055 60 94071 055 60 94071 tbm 055 60 94071. One more website, www.3butterfliesghana.com and an email 3butterfliesghana@gmail.com. We learn, we play, we grow. One more the app being swaba, you find the EYLOG app. EYLOG app o download a obano activities ni nyina obetimi a monitor ubehu ni nyina time woda time wo sorry time ye man aduane time ye change the diapers ubehu ni nyina wo app no so etubo sampa obano ekwe obetimi a follow obano ni growth and ni monitoring bibi ya ewo 3 Butterflies School 055 60 94071 055 60 94071 3 Butterflies School. We learn, we play, we grow. Adwa so me enkwe.
Ye first dani bi emakasa natural mineral water ensuo papa ensuo krogen ni bisa se ensuo be na wo yusu ewo fie ensuo be na wonom utisi abonte ate traffic mu ensuo kom kan wa no wage ensuo bia no wanom patwe se we very careful san se enne sebe nipa bonefo wo wiase ene obu wo hono no ni sika no wage enti wo apomden no wonwene ho eti make sure say wo num nsuo bia koye mu a wo bepede yage atomu a wo yusu a wonya problem bia kasa natural mineral water enti mu a motonton e wo kwan ho mu a mobiebie depots ya mo pese mo ba befa nsuo kogu o se de be ya wo mo ton pure water ne ne keka wo no ba betu wo ho no monkofa e wo Kasaloma Ventures for ho wo mo taifa he ya enkran wo de odru taifa bisa obi asa wo ko back hospital wo mbekire wo echi ho a ho na Kasaloma Ventures wo mo wo ubetimi afre wo mo na wo mo de ensuo ni bia ba yanka san de bebro obabia wo no ya befele wo depo no amawo ana wo shop no na afa abobo ya afo no wo ma besesa e di afri honom se program bi so na ekoso wo pensuo wo de asom ahoho wo de serve wo guest na ekeka ho a kasa natural mineral water number ni 0206 469430 0206 469430 ana 0303 965780 0303 965780 na wodemuria na wape hajia special local foods ni bi na wadi ame kama sabere ya no nwotwe aboyi hajia wa setting en yomanda da wa setting table be kwa wache sifa jollof sifa kokonte benku bibia bia ye local food die ebi ewo hajia special ho aprapansa nyina wo ye bi wo hwehwe na kira kwan a fa ka na si hatwo kwan ne so wo freedom na eba wo de fa Madina ka osu besi ewo transition usi wo transition ho no mo a nante be 2 seconds bi hagea na wabɔ ne sesen wo ho no wako didi ye working and a delivery service so available social media handles ne nyina wo hwehwe na abehunu no number obefrɛ no 0246 359921 0246 359921 na udem se ye bo amanfo adwuma ho dawuri se wo de wo fe unya ya na ye wodie e possible Fabra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na yenton emfa mawo wo mo aye ka nyina no ekoye enti na daso enti bra na so wodie no yembo hu dawuro emfa mawo ebia wabie business bi ana wa launch product bi wo ba be ye training bi dia ma workers wo ba be ye bibi na obehia se da wo no ebekọ akire businesses ye entrepreneurs no ebia be ye program bi afabra ne announce wan kasa be huru nipa be bebusu wo training na se ede ama Sompa 106.5 FM Accra enti for your client service number no na ye no enko nhyehyeye 0531 886216 0531 886216 ofra yebeje so na ya cheche oniemani so ama won so de beboa no watumi ababeye na bibia nso akonkan
yo Abakay me say greetings bi wo ha obese oditwa fatu dwa na Reverend Lawrence Asiedu say Sompa Rhapsody wa baso mo all night bi enne na menka ho asem wotema community 25 ma manfo nte yenkwai
Auntie Mira say happy birthday enkoma ketche oheneba bafo afriye ketche oheneba bafo afriye ene eyewa woda ketche nyakopon hrawo na wanya okese oyemi mate ewo SHS ene nyakopon eyiwa fradomu akwadomu na we efri Oxford 2013 year group ena afemi ankasa menchen ene yema happy birthday nyami sure na onye wakoma so ade nyina mawo na oma wo mfre enonyemo enko enonyemo ketche happy birthday afei Priscilla Araba Wood enso edina woda Priscilla Araba Wood ene eyewa woda happy birthday wo ayefepa nyame sha wate na onye okese wo butu dunkwa onofe nyame insha na onye mfra domo enkwa domo we efimi ankasa mention Priscilla nyankopon shawo
yo sister jo wo obi a wo chia na wo bekọ if ene ko Facebook page me wo se ko mensa pillar 2 wo betwem ho na memfa we entwem enka wo de mabra mamia send man mama na afi yento aso meka wo say yenya sorry ya na ye de Sompa Rhapsody dwumedie no to aso Reverend Professor Joseph Osafo de oni unu Abakosua Aboagye Presla so be wo ho ye betena se na ye de Sompa Rhapsody no na ye de atoa mo so na ye de ama mo se de be ye betimi aboa ama eniema nyina akoso Sompa Rhapsody dwumedie a ye die e wo hase ne ye dwumedie a ye de bo abrabo mumpum tuo ye hyehye wadwene ye hyehye watenka ye hyehye wo bibia se de be ye beboa wo ama wate abrabo ase na wodi nyansa nante abrabo we nyansa o he wo wo baabia wo nyanka wo beduru ho no wo mu nim bibia wo nim nipa na wani bre no the person knows something na wo nim wotie Sompa Rhapsody na ye de amount na mamemfa we True Worshippers Revival Ministries International True Worshippers Revival Ministries International nim say Reverend Lawrence Asiedu ene Mrs. Reverend Lawrence Asiedu womo na safi womo da no sa mo kaya Sompa Rhapsody womo be share womo story empower nipa bebre womo de nam nansa esi ho di dwumade bi ene no womo wie na ne de womo de all night na ewie enti ene True Worshippers Revival Ministries International say ene bra all night ene all night ne 9 p.m. pepe prompt ene 31st July Mr. Wo ye wura July August mu wochena nyame adom wochena ye 1st August kobompa ye fa wura 1st August nim tie de meka no kobompa ye ne fa wura bosome wochenim ko make declarations ko make confessions enti 9 p.m. no na tema community 25 womu ahyase a womu eye dwumadie no stronko kra eye tema community 25 PS Global Estate eye Def Traco eye PS Global Gate 1 no en womu wo enti ene all night no True Worshippers Revival Ministries International de ma wo no Reverend Lawrence Asiedu a one de sese Sompa Rhapsody wa ye busuani one ne ho kani Reverend Lawrence Asiedu Reverend Lawrence Asiedu ena afen so yankasa Mrs. Asiedu womo ewo ho no nyasem ketewa Apostle Kwame Martin ewo ho Pastor Ike Aboagye Boatin me name ena Efe Grace nso beto dwom ewo dwumadie na se kama pa womo nso beto nwum bie no Minister Francis Hagen owo ho ena Minister Daniela Lamte ena Minister Osorieba Godwin ena Minister OK Prince womu nyina wo ho mesel je number na frɛ ebi a wudu tema community 25 no we PS Global Estate Death Traco PS Global Gate 1 no na wa yera wo kwan na wa frɛ 054 81 69013 054 81 69013 TBM 054 81 69013 said the beya won so True Worshippers Revival Ministries International and all night no Reverend and Mrs. Asied Reverend and Reverend Mrs. Asied what on baby I'm there Reverend Lawrence Asiedu and Reverend Mrs. Asiedu and a jumedi si o mabeti so no de ho akwakoche na make wo chena 1st August and na 31st July Saturday no fampaibo wuram open na say midnight there say midnight no asore say August memo akwa ba na wo bai inshira na ade bre me adwoa ene mama omu nyina asame ne Abakay wo da me say midnight sorry midnight so went to me and call all night no midnight no sorry enya bo 12 a.m. no yes ye rua 1st August na so bie wa no August me ye die me nkanko nya me ka me ho boni de mama kwa mu ye die nko anti mu amope na no eya mo nsore na mo nko all night sister adwoa ne Abakay echina ye rua August mu ye rua 2026 ye mu ye gya ne kwan ano no read Facebook de na ma me sorry so
okay comments appeal too was say or the ya konsem ma apostle Kwadwosafo Kantanka na busua ni chupa ene Sarah Adwoasafo ene omo a ka busua ne ho nyina was say enchia enkoma Hajia Ruka next MPP National Treasurer hopeful ene honorable Gordon Asare Bediakon oyibo boaten enso edwei efi atwuma na ebehin was say the discharge and acquittal of Madam Sedinata Makuru is mind-boggling. Just what you know what yes so I ho. Enti was when you know say catch a Ghana forces a corruption and common ye di na ya no keke. Nemu ye nye krado say ye betu ho na mo was what chairman Coker ene chairman Akins no money Ashanti Regional MPP Secretary hopeful. Masa Wood Edifi Kumase Bantama was say the ordinary Ghanaian has lost faith in this so-called justice system and so-called democracy. Into what Ghana ye kebi maminke bini atentre ni atna ye hono no enema bebre koso ho ama Ghana for no wo gidie atonsuom eno so ho asem no wode aba was still 2028 ne de aba umi abeba teacher Kujo Edifri Tepa enyina susu was say wasre interesting times ahead e Ghana ha NDC is discharging and acquitting its members from the courts while sending MPP members to court and imprisoning some of them. Was a watcher Honorable Collins Dauda. Ene was a watcher Collins Dauda said in Atamakuru. And ye teacher Kujo Tepa and Yinasusu and that word also Edenedie by into Facebook messages kakrana making kind.
Okay. And the Abakay and nay July die chatwo o message awode magana for ye bewura August mo chance ye memenda eni just a weekend no afi we die oh first no eni first no test day asa akono ba ko ni say si juada first bebre si juada ena bi nso wo ha esi fiada ena bi nso wo ha esi we die August de waba memenda nti 1st August ye memenda nti ye Friday ne ye di wura Saturday ne ye de mpa bo bewuram ka wase metwato ma etiefo
yo anti ye akwane de meka kire tiefo nyina ne se nyankopon ye adom akina eye 1st August ye se ye sika bosome nti no bo ho so na efiti china ekono ene isa wo bɔ mpa ye ne all night no efiti china ekono fa adwumaden efa hye bosome ni mu na nyankopon hya na hwe wo ho so yi na ho amasam
unse 1st February is Sunday 1st February is Sunday and na 1st March in so see Sunday 1st March in so is Sunday and na 1st May is Friday 1st May so is Friday and na 1st June is Monday
wow
1st June so is Monday kama pa na July no no obesi Wednesday to ndo obesi mfimfin and na August nso de wo si Saturday nyame ya adom a September no 1st September no obesi Tuesday na October nso wasi Thursday omo de omo hihye mfimfini but November ebesi Sunday November besi Sunday tie na yenko December nso besi Tuesday eti bronya no afi bronya be ye de unim say 25th December besi Friday. Wow. 25th December. Etuamu sa. Enti 31st night no a eye de kwobon pai ne de besi Thursday. Enna unim ade enso akono. January 1, 2027 ebesi Friday. Eti yebesi the new year ni mo no. First January sa it is ye be di weekend na the ye long weekends bebre wo ho. Ye long weekends bebre wo ho because we share 24th night no ye Thursday enti unse 24th nso ba na ye breaki unse obi anim say adwuma bia by 22nd 23rd no na break na ba because ye na bronya na chance 24th night Christmas Eve no eti we share afi no a 24th December no ebesi Thursday it imagine say every Thursday Friday ni 25th Boxing Day Saturday na Sunday 27th na ye kosa na yakwa baba besi Friday nso a 1st January enti afi emu ode obi amo na brabo ye na December na meto yesrew for na mosisi ye na December na beto na ai mo aye de no a ye hye weekend na se Thursday weekend e be sha se Thursday afi we de weekend e be sha se Thursday de be we nkokọ no a Thursday de first anti na busuan spend time together sister Adwoa say make wa plan at all sa de no it we are not 22nd one na ekro no hey sister what do rara and da hono eti for ye da mo ase eti ha na ye de Sompa Ghana Today dwumade no sie na ye de Sompa Rhapsody dwumade no atoaso Adwoa Asare na wote ne nka no pay abena bedua de pa kofi Abakay eno no anopa no safo kantanka be manso ebai the tip of sports on the buy. Your family de nyame yeshra na Akosua goabo you betimi afrem Akosua nshra station so depa adesua wo mu pa nyansa wo mu pa information wo mu pa entertainment wo mu pa education wo mu pa na de eye Sompa Accra eye Sompa Accra eye Sompa Accra and then so ye fear that Sompa delight Obapa Christie ewie wate ye studio ha ewie Obapa Christie was Sompa delight so eti ewie ye be ye de papa na wo twi de mu aye de eti na ewie Sompa delight with Abna Ruchi what the